Good. All right, cool. Can everybody hear me? Por favor. Hey, what up, Jaden? Welcome back. Did you get that? What's up, Kesley? Kelsey, what's up, Nico? What up, Dustin? I see we got 7 people in here. Michael Burden, aka Skull. We got Gizmo up in here. What up? What up? Yes, thank you very much. Hey, you're welcome for sure. For sure. Let me see. Let me finish. Do I gotta do anything else? Oh yeah. I gotta get the chat. Let me see who's over. Hey, what up? What up, Sue? Welcome back, Sue. Let me see who else is in here. Hey, what up, Ella May? What Junie? It's Bay. Hey, what up, Hot Mess Express? Let me see. Kaylee, thank you for the follow. My life's peachy. What up? How's it going? Who else is in here? Court on Sunday? This can't be real, right, Jimmy? What up, Jimmy? Let me see here. 8 years to life. Paroled from Calipat AR 2023. Hey, man, that's what's up, man. I'm assuming you already terminated your number already. Let me see. SKB, what up? How's it going? Let me see. I made it to court. Yeah, this is the first stream I'm going to be doing today. What up, Simona? How's it going? Let me see. Did I miss anybody? I think I got everybody. Let me see. All right, let me just finish setting up really quick here. Let me see here. All right, we got that. Let me see. All right. Who is it? Hey, what up, Texas? Let me see. Were you on like at 3 a.m.? Yeah, I was. I was on, man. I was on a good one last night. Let me see. Yeah, that was me. I was on. Okay, let me put this over here so I can see the. And let me see. Oh, I forgot one thing. Yeah. Let me see here. Gotta hit this here. And I think for the most part, I'm almost done here. I just gotta make sure my okay. What up? Let me see. All right. Okay, well, hopefully the chat comes up on the screen because that's how I'm able to keep track of everything that's happening. All right, let me see. You was on one. Yeah. Hey, what up, Nicole? How's it going? Buenos, James. Let me see. No, you're still on parole, Junie? Damn, how come you haven't been able to parole your number yet? That's nuts. I'm guessing. Hey, you're from Riverside County, man. I heard in Riverside County it's hard to get off parole. Let me dim up the screen here so you guys can see a little bit better. Let me see. You got some CL. Oh yeah, I got them CL20s, if you will. That's my staple around here. What's up, Charissa? How's it going? Let me see. Made it to court with minutes to spare. No FTA for me tonight. Thanks, James. Hey, what's up, Aaron? How's it going? For sure. And for anybody that wants to be updated on the alerts and whatnot when I go live, I would suggest subscribing to my Discord account, and like that you're able to keep track of all the alerts that whenever I go live. Let me see here. Hey, what up, Becca? How's it going? Let me see. Any good cases lately? Haven't been on. Just lost my. Damn, man. Winter. Sorry to hear that, man. Sorry to hear that. I know that's tough. You know, I lost my dad back in, when I was 18. Man, many moons ago. I think like in 2000. So I know I'm assuming what you're going through. Let me see. It's going to be good. And you? I can't complain. Let me get the filters going right here. All right. Is the chat's not coming up? Huh? Nope. Damn. I'm going to close this down really quick. And I'll open it back up. Hey, who sent me that daily heart? Hey, what's up, Jess? Thank you. Highly appreciate that. What's up, Chef Manolo Awan? Drop one, flush one. Let me go ahead and make sure the toilet is working over here. Don't want to have any clogged toilets. It'll be all bad. Hey, Patrick, thank you. Highly appreciate that daily heart. Highly appreciate you. Let me see here. Okay, that's on. Awan, drop one, flush one. Okay, we got the chat on the screen. Laughing out loud. Toasty. Oh, let's go ahead and do a toasty right now. Let me see. Are you closer to the screen this time? Nah. I'm the same. Oh no. You know what? I zoomed in on it a little bit more. I've been having some fun with it lately. So. Toasty. Hey, what's up, Kay? Do the Mickey sound. Let me see. Hey, what's up, Cindy? How's it going? Let me see. Thank you. It's hard. It doesn't feel real. Nah, man. Yeah, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. You know, when you lose, especially like one of your parents, your kids, or somebody in your family. It ain't easy. Luckily I still got my mom, but I lost my dad. About over 20 years ago. What's up, Miss Vero? Damn, where you been? What's up, Miss K? How's it going? Let me see. I'm so glad. What's up? Hell yeah. Welcome back. Hey, what's up? What's up? Let me see. All right. Did somebody say stash? Hold up. It's not the same when I got it short. I needed to get a little bit longer. By the end of the month, it should be back to normal. But as a matter of fact, you know what? I need to print out some new. Some new combs here for the stash. I'm running low. This is the last one that I got, and I had like 4 or 5 of them. So I was printing out some pieces today on my 3D printer, and that's one of the things that I remember that I have to do. I was printing out these little pieces. I got this thing called the silhouette, cameo silhouette, and I printed out some parts for it because I've been having issues like printing out my stickers. So this should get me back on track. Just these pieces will help me print out some more pictures. Give me some stickers. All right. Nice. What's the worst felony? I think category 1. I want to say. Hey, what up, 805? I know you changed your name, but I don't know what you changed your name to. Burglary and assault. Hey, Miguel Fernandez -Flores. Where are we at tonight? We're in Maricopa County, if you will. Maricopa, if you will.
Good evening. This is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for October 5th, 2025.
Did she say
the
8
court's
p.m.?
orders for the taking of DNA and
October
fingerprints
5th,
that were given on the first calendar
today?
of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. As you heard in the recording, this is a very specific hearing. I will tell you why you are here, if an attorney has been appointed for you, when and where your next hearing will be, and what release conditions are available to you if you are eligible for release. I will not read all the conditions to you, but I may point out 1 or 2 specific to your matter. You are all here on criminal matters, so you have the right to remain silent. I will only ask you for your name and your date of birth. These hearings are being broadcast and
she said
recorded.
5-5? Nah.
There may be victims watching this broadcast today, so I will read the victim's rights advisement. If you are a victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you are advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present at court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defendant's attorney, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release, negotiation of a plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who is convicted of causing you loss. If you have not already been provided with a written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's Office.
Prosecutor? I'm not contacting the
We'll begin. I will call the first person to come stand at the podium in the center of the room.
Hey, David,
I will call a second person's name to sit in the chair that's right by the door.
Thank you. Highly appreciate you.
Efficiently. Mr. Christian Blair, please come to the podium. Daniel Singer, have a seat by the door.
Come on down, Christian. Oh,
please say your name and date of birth.
Christian Blair, 2893.
He has a crazy eyes going on.
You're here today on 3 matters. The first is a new Superior Court case. There are allegations of 2 counts of possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, which is a Class 4 felony.
Hey, what up, Matthew?
1 count prohibited weapon, Class 4 felony. 1 count unlawful imprisonment, Class 6 felony. 2 counts disorderly conduct with a weapon, which is a Class 6 felony. 1 count of assault, 1 count of threatening and intimidation.
Damn,
Those are both misdemeanors. This court did review the law enforcement report and did find probable cause. This court also reviewed 2 separate victim statements that were submitted prior to your hearing today.
Is he looking at me or is he looking that way?
There is a hearing now scheduled for you October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. An attorney has been appointed to assist you. Unfortunately, this court cannot provide what was requested in the victim statements. We do not have mental health that we are able to order at this time. So this court will do what it can. The county requested, and this court did affirm, let me just double check. Actually, the county requested $250,000 cash bond. This court has set it as a secured appearance bond. If you are able to make that bond, you would have been released under pretrial supervision. However, because of your probation cases, you are not eligible for release, so do not pay the bond. In your probation cases, this is a term 1 violation of 2 probation cases that you have ongoing. As a term 1 probation violation, you have an attorney appointed to assist you at your probation revocation arraignment hearing downtown Phoenix on October 13th at 8:30 in the morning. Because this event, these allegations, will most likely result in a term of incarceration, you are not eligible under the Arizona criminal rules for release today. All of this information, including your attorney's phone numbers, is on your paperwork. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hey, I hope that one girl... no, I got the crazy eyes now. Oh, no.
Daniel Singer, please come to the podium. Christopher Thompson, have a seat by the door.
He ain't going nowhere. Oh.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Daniel Singer, 7/23/80.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a family court warrant. It is a purge warrant. The amount requested is $20,000. If you are not able to pay this, you will be held in custody until your hearing, which is set downtown Superior Court on October 9th at 10 a.m.
Come on, Lizzie.
If you are able to pay the warrant, you must still attend that hearing. That information will be on your paperwork. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hey, I hope that one... Hey, thank you for that Daily Heart, Harley. Highly appreciate you.
Your Honor, I filed some petitions with family court regarding support modification and parenting time modification.
Oh, he's a deadbeat.
The judge assigned to my case said that I could pay $2,000. They set it at 1% of my arrearage, and I'm working on getting that. I have job interviews this whole week.
So these are issues that would be heard by the family court judge. I just reopened the docket in your family court case, sir, and I don't see where any change has been made. Instead, I do see the arrest warrant, and that is what's valid right now, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you have an attorney in your case?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If you are able to get an attorney, these would be good questions for them, but also for the family court judge.
Probably still lives at home with his mommy.
I've been looking for a job, Your Honor.
Okay. I appreciate
You're not looking
that.
in the right place.
Unfortunately, this is still a valid purge warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Mr. Christopher Thompson, please come to the podium.
Have them clean the street. From Nuevo
Mexico.
That's right,
have a seat by the door.
You ain't not looking so good, sir.
Please say your name
this guy
and
came
date of
dressed
birth.
to impress.
Christopher Thompson, 9380.
Thank you, sir. You are here today on a new case alleging disorderly conduct with a weapon or dangerous instrument that is a Class 6 felony. This court did find probable cause based on the law enforcement report and has appointed an attorney to assist you.
Hey, he kind of
Your
looks like
next
that
hearing
lawyer
will
that
be
copies
downtown
me.
Phoenix on October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for bond today, and it is set at $2,500 secured appearance bond. If you are able to pay that bond, you will be released under
looked like a
pretrial
Chester.
supervision, which will require alcohol testing and monitoring.
Hell yeah, laughing
You
out
are
loud.
not to
Is
have
that wood?
contact with the alleged
What
victim,
else, straight up
witnesses,
wood?
or complainants.
This is hysterical.
I understand that might be your neighborhood or the place where you live. Okay, so I have not included a no return order, just no contact with those alleged victim, witnesses, or
Yeah.
complainants.
An 80.
Okay. If you do make the bond, make sure you go to your hearing. Your attorney's phone number is on your paperwork. If you are not able to make the bond, you
let
will
me
be
clip
held
that
in
one.
custody,
I'm gonna clip that
transported
one.
to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders.
Hey, what up, Hector?
Please take your paperwork and have
Holy
a seat.
crap. Right there.
Thank you.
He came from church. I can't hear her.
Juanas Defer, please come to the podium, and then Rita Salazar, have
Hey,
a
what was
seat
that
by
guy
the door.
charged with? Oh, no, I got the crazy eyes now. Hold on. Let me fix this. All right.
Okay.
The money goes to the state.
Juanas Defer, I believe he's wearing a plaid outfit, like a plaid flannel.
Hey, I hope that
And then after that will be Rita Salazar.
I hope that girl from last night doesn't come in here again causing problems, talking about, I fight for people's rights. What you're doing is not right. Why would you do such a thing? Are you trying to get clout?
Juanas Defer,
You
okay.
disgust me. I disgust myself.
Thank you,
Let's
sir.
see here. Hey, everyone. How was your
Please
week?
say your name and date of birth.
Juanas Defer, 1110,
Is that Sideshow
Thank you,
Bob?
sir. You're here today on two matters. They are both probation
page.
violation warrants. It was alleged that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 13th at 8:30 in the morning. In each of these matters, you were, there is a secured appearance bond set of $750, so that is $1,500 total.
He keeps on looking
If you are able to pay this bond, make sure you call your probation officer on release within 72 hours and attend your hearing. If you are not able to pay the bond, you will remain in custody and be transported to the hearing. The next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hold on. Oh, close one. I almost got the googly eyes. That wasn't
Rita
interesting.
Salazar, please come to the podium, and then Leanne Damon, have a seat by the door.
Let me see. Did somebody ask? This live?
Are you sure?
Hell nah. I'm in bed sleeping. This wouldn't have shoes on. No, hold on. That's not a guy. Hold on.
Please say your name
That's
and your
girl.
date of birth.
She has no shoes on.
06/10/1989.
1989.
And your name, ma'am?
Rita Salazar.
Thank you,
she's a
ma'am.
yawner.
You're here today on an out-of-county warrant. It's from Pima County. An attorney will be appointed to assist you at your next hearing in Pima County Superior Court on October 8th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a Pima County bond set at $1,500. That is a secured appearance bond. If you are able to pay that bond, you will be released and you must take yourself to Pima County. If you cannot pay the bond, you will be in custody and transported to that hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hey, look at her feet. Look at her feet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Am I being released?
You would have to pay your bond to be released.
I want to know where her shoes are at. That's what I want. I'm more concerned about the shoes. What happened to her shoes?
Leanne Damon, please come to the podium. And then Corey Mosby, have a seat by the door.
No, too close.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Leanne Damon, 52385.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll try.
You are here today for an out-of-county warrant. There will be an attorney appointed for you at your next hearing. That will be at the Apache Junction Municipal Court on October 8th at 8:30 in the morning. This is a Pinal County warrant. They did request, and this court affirmed a cash-only $1,000 bond. If you are able to pay that bond, you will need to take yourself to that hearing where they will issue another failure to appear. If you are not able to pay the bond, you'll remain in custody and be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Corey Mosby, please come to the podium. Nolan Kisto Sr., please have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Corey Pierre Mosby, July 26, 1979.
Thank you,
This was
sir.
79.
You're
That's
here
pretty young.
today for a probation violation warrant. They allege that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you at your probation revocation arraignment hearing downtown Phoenix. That will be October 13th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for bond. It is a secured appearance bond of $1,000. If you're able to pay that bond, make sure you call your probation officer within 72 hours and attend your hearing. If you cannot, you will remain in custody, be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Thank you, sir. Nolan Kisto Sr., please come to the podium.
Polk County, Florida?
David Delgado, have
That's the
a
only
seat by
Polk
the
I
door.
know.
Please say your name and date of birth.
This one
Nolan
looks like
Kisto Sr., 92181.
Thank you, sir. You are here today on a new case alleging burglary in the 3rd degree, which is a Class 4 felony. Based on law enforcement report, this court did find probable cause and
he's combing his
appointed an
hair.
attorney to assist you at your hearing downtown Phoenix on October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond
County,
set for you at
Arkansas.
$500. If you're able to pay that bond, you'll be released under pretrial
we need a
supervision.
fainter.
You are not to return to the scene of the alleged incident or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. Specifically, do not go back to the business at 5082 Northwest Grand Avenue. If you are not able to pay the bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to your hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Your attorney's phone number is also on your paperwork. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
When's my next court date?
October 10th.
Oh, I'm getting a
Right
page.
there.
Hold on.
David Delgado, please come to the podium. Kevin Smith, have a seat by the door.
I got a page from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Please say your
6,
name
7,
and
8,
date
9.
of birth.
Thank
David
you.
Delgado, 7/5/1996.
Thank you, sir. You are here today on a justice court warrant. It looks like you were already in custody and then they found this warrant, and so you're here again in front of me. It looks like it's out of Manistee Justice Court. So an attorney will be available to assist you. Your hearing is October 9th at 10:30 in the morning. The attorney is appointed for the limited representation
Jay?
of bond. There is a $500 bond set for this. It looks like you may be incarcerated for another
Lizzie,
reason.
thank you for that.
Are you on hold for something else?
Yes, I'm in for Avondale.
Okay.
Hey, what up, guys?
So
Let's get up
don't pay this
to
bond,
20,000
and you'll be
tabs.
transported to the hearing, and the
Stop
next
being
judge can
shiesty.
change the orders. If you do pay the bond, but Avondale is not finished yet, you might get a failing to appear warrant issued, and you don't want that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, just making sure you understand.
Yes, may I please say something?
Yes.
Yes, I actually sent a legal request. I told him that I was actually in custody, that I couldn't make it to court. I had court on September 24th,
Okay.
and I never got an update. So I was just waiting for them to give me an update. So I
Yeah.
was in custody, so I couldn't.
That is a good thing to tell your lawyer as well as the next judge. I've also included Manistee phone number for you on this as well. I don't know if you'll have the opportunity, but you could call and explain the situation to them as well.
Yes.
I just don't know if they'll
Hey,
take
Cindy,
the
thank you
calls
for
from the
that.
jail or not. But you do have some resources for you to use.
Yes, my release date was actually October 13th.
What up, Angela?
Am I looking at more jail time or?
This is October 9th, so they won't hold you past
Love
the
the eyes.
9th on this matter.
Okay.
I
He
can't
does have
speak
some
on your
nice eyes,
other
right?
matters.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Please take your paperwork. Thank you, sir.
Step to the right. Oh,
Kevin Smith, please come to the podium.
Kevin
Loai
Smith, come on
Ali,
down to the
have
Price
a
is
seat by the
Wrong.
door. Please
Oh,
say your
Kevin looks
name
happy.
and date of birth.
Kevin Smith, 1999-1030.
Thank you, sir.
He looks a
You're
bit
here today
zesty,
for
if
two
you
matters.
will.
One of them is a municipal court warrant about driving without a license. That's a misdemeanor, so an attorney cannot be appointed due to the nature of the charge.
Kevin looks
But you have a
excited.
hearing at Peoria Municipal Court, October 7th at 9 a.m. There is a cash-only appearance bond for this matter of $250. Your second matter is a new justice court case regarding disorderly conduct or fighting, and that's also a misdemeanor. So an attorney will not be appointed for you, but you can hire one or you can represent yourself. This hearing is going to be, I did appoint an attorney for you because there's bond. So Santan Justice Court,
I had to see
October
that
8th
comment
at
in the
8:30 in the
background.
morning. So there will be an attorney there for you, but only in the matter of the bond, and it is set at $50. So together, you have a $300 bond. If you're able to pay that bond, make sure you go to both of these hearings in the 2 different places. If you are not able to pay the bond, you'll remain in custody and be transported to the hearing. So on your new case, too, I need to let you know, you may not have contact with the alleged victims for any reason, even if they contact you first, between now and the next hearing. The next judge can change that order, but for right now, because of this disorderly conduct and fighting, just no contact with any alleged victim witnesses or complainants. Okay. This is all written out on your
thank you for the follow.
Yes, sir.
I was wondering, you said it was only cash only? Or
On the
could I
first
use,
one, I
like,
do believe it was
phones or-
cash. Yep, $250
Oh, I got the
cash.
crazy eyes.
The other one is a secured appearance bond of $50.
He got
And I pay that like when I'm there?
Here in this facility, I believe the detention officers are
Your eyes
able
are
to
cracking me
provide
up.
you with more information about how to handle your bond. But please remember, sir, if you fail to appear at either of those hearings, they will issue more warrants for your arrest.
Yeah, I know. And the reason I didn't come for my other ones because
Okay.
I wasn't notified
She
at all
don't
about
care.
them. I didn't
All right,
get
well, now
like
you
email.
have the notice. Your paperwork will show you the locations, dates, and times. Okay, please take a seat. Thank you,
Oh,
sir.
hold on. Damn. What do I have?
Loai Ali, please come to the podium. Alexis D'Angelo, have a seat by the door.
She don't care, sir.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Lower Ali, 10792.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on 2 matters. One is a new case. It is alleging that you had dangerous drugs in your possession, which is a Class 4 felony, and resisting arrest passively, which is a Class 6 felony. Based on the
Got
law
him.
enforcement report, this court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing in your new case is October 10th at 8:30 in the morning, downtown Phoenix. There is a secured appearance bond
Hey,
set
what's
for
up,
you at
guys? 7 more thousand taps.
$250.
Let's get to
If you're able to
20,000 K
post that bond,
FYP,
you'll
if you
be
will.
supervised by your probation officer
Stacy.
that you already have. If your second matter is a probation violation warrant, so because of the new alleged criminal
Arroyo
activity, that is a
Gracias.
term 1 violation of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to
I'm
assist
trying.
you
Thank
at
you,
your
Lizzie.
probation revocation arraignment hearing. That will be downtown Phoenix on October 13th.
Thank you for that daily
You have
heart.
2 different court dates.
Thank you, Maui.
If you are able to make the bond on this one, it is a secured appearance bond of $50. Make sure you call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing. So together, your bond is $300 secured appearance.
300?
Don't pay one and not the other.
Man, I can
because
find that
you'll
on my
get a failure to
Subgore.
appear.
This
Okay.
is Maricopa County.
So if you're not able to make the bond, you will remain in custody and be transported to your hearings, and the next judge can change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Thank you, sir. Alexis D'Angelo, please come to the podium. Jeffrey Ward, have a seat by the door.
Come on down. Come on down.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Alexis D'Angelo, 61495.
She kind of
Thank
looks like
you,
the
ma'am.
girl from the Orange is
You're
the New
here
Black.
today
I don't know her
on
name, though.
5 matters. Let's see.
What's the name of the girl from Orange
The
is the New
first
Black?
one is failing to appear at your probation revocation arraignment on June 20th, 2024.
I'm not sure, Aaron.
You have an attorney in that case. Your next hearing will be
Piper.
October 13th, 8:30 in the morning. There is a $50 secured appearance bond for the first matter.
Alex?
Your second matter here is a new case. It is alleging that
It's
you
one of
had
those.
drug paraphernalia in your possession, and this is a Class 6 felony, so that was what you were arrested for most recently. An attorney has
What up,
been
Austin?
appointed to assist you, and your next hearing on this new case is October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond set at $50. Your
Alex is
next
the one with the
matter
dark
is
hair.
a justice court warrant,
She's pregnant?
and that is alleging that you were arrested on driving on a suspended or revoked
Royal, thank you for that.
license. It is a misdemeanor. The warrant is out for $500. This court is not going to collect that. Instead, we're going to set a bond of $50 to make sure you get to your hearing.
50?
There will be an attorney appointed to assist you in the bond
Damn,
issue
Royal,
only.
thank you for jumping
But
from
if you
one
are
to the
able to
other.
make bond on all of these, make sure you go to the El Centro Justice
Thank you,
Court.
Lexi.
It is set for October 8th at 8:30 in the morning. which let me just double check. Okay, that is not the same
leg fell
day
asleep.
as the other hearings. If you are still in custody, they'll transport you to all these hearings, but just in case you're able to make bond, I want to make sure that you won't have difficulty getting to the hearings on different days. Your next matter is another failing to appear. This one is again a probation revocation arraignment hearing. So same October 13th date, and the attorney is already assisting you there. It's a $50 bond. And the last one is again the failing to appear at the probation revocation arraignment hearing.
Amanda, thank
the
you.
Same information, also a $50 bond. So altogether, for all your matters, it is $250 secured appearance bond. If you are able to make that bond, you have 3 different court dates. They are listed
Chloe,
on your
thank you for that.
paperwork. You would need to call your probation officer when you are released and go to those 3 different locations
Come
and
on,
dates.
guys, we're at 19,000
If you are not
taps.
able to make your bond, you'll remain in custody and you'll be transported to each of these hearings. Okay, this is all on your paperwork, including your attorney's phone numbers. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Jeffrey Ward, please come to the podium. After that will be Jesus Martinez Beltran. You may have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Jeffrey Ward, 10-10-91.
Does he have an
Thank
Oakley
you, sir.
shirt on?
You're here today on a justice court new case. It was alleged that you
Oh, this was
committed domestic animal cruel mistreatment, which is a Class 5 felony.
Domestic animal.
Based on the law
What?
enforcement report, this court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for release under a secured appearance bond of $50.
That will disgusts me.
Wait. If you are able to make that bond, you are not to have any contact with the alleged complainant or witness,
Oh, this was stressing. This
and
was
you
a
may
stress
not
box.
possess, reside with, or have any contact with animals, whether you own them or not, between now and your next hearing date, which is October 10th. Those are the court's orders. Yes, sir.
I have a problem though, because I do have my 4 cats, and I did not commit domestic violence. Some witness that they said I threw it out a window, but I really didn't.
Okay, and that is the merits of the case, so you can discuss that with the attorney who's
The
been
thing about it
appointed.
is I have 4 cats at home right now that are alone, and I have no place to put them or anything, and I really need to get home to make sure they're fed and stuff. I just don't have the $50
Based on
bond.
these allegations, though, you would not be able to live in a place where there's domestic animals between now and October 10th. So you would need to make some other arrangement.
I could do that. I could make other arrangements. I would just need to get home to do that. I don't have the $50 on me, but I might have it on my credit card, which is at home.
Okay, there are ways for you to arrange your bail and in the detention center. So if you have access to $50, that would hopefully not keep you here. It is a secured appearance bond. So there are numbers in the detention center for bail bondsmen or other people if you don't have ready access to your cash.
Okay, how would I go about doing that?
They have information for you.
Hey,
So
where's
your
cat on
attorney's
his
phone
hands?
number, your next court dates, and the court orders of not being around domestic animals until October 10th, it's all on your paperwork.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
$50?
Okay.
This fool's on a good one. Poor cats. Man, I wouldn't let that fool have a pet rock, let alone cats.
Good evening. Is there an interpreter on the line?
Yes, there is.
Yes, sir.
May I have your name, please?
Nayeli. It's Nayeli.
Nayeli? She sounds legit.
Thank you, Ms. Sayeli. This is Commissioner Gentry at the initial appearance court. I just need to ask if you could swear or affirm that you will directly translate my words into Spanish and the defendant's words from Spanish into English exactly as we say them.
I will.
Thank you.
Hey,
Mr.
what up, Steven?
Jesus Martinez Beltran, please come to the podium.
Jesús Martínez Beltrán, por favor, venga al podio.
Shao!
Please make sure to wait for the translator to
that
finish
beater.
before you speak.
Por favor, asegúrese de esperar hasta que termine la intérprete antes de que usted hable.
Okay.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Por favor, diga su nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
Septiembre 11 de 1989.
Septiembre 11 de 1989, disculpa.
Sí.
Sí.
September 11, 1989.
You are here on a new Superior Court case.
Está aquí en uno que es un caso de Corte Nueva Superior.
It's alleged that you committed aggravated assault, which is a Class 3 felony.
Class 3 felony.
His first birthday was
Sí, a usted
9/11.
se le está diciendo o se le alega que cometió lo que es asalto agravado, lo cual es un tipo de crimen de caso 3.
Also, you had a weapon and you're a prohibited possessor, which is a Class 4 felony.
Aparte, lo que es también, usted estaba portando un arma, lo cual era un posesor prohibido, y esto también es un delito de clase 4.
Right,
And last, that you discharged a firearm within the city limits, which is a Class 6 felony.
También usted tuvo lo que es disparó lo que es el arma en los límites de la ciudad, lo cual es un delito de clase 6.
This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you.
Esta corte ha encontrado lo que es causa probable y le ha asignado lo que es un abogado para ayudarle.
Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 10th at 8:30 in the morning.
This is the interpreter, just to confirm that was October 10th at 8:30 in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
do
so
you guys
much.
like this with the filters
su
or without
próxima
the filters?
audiencia ya
What
ha
do you guys
sido
like?
agendada lo que es en el centro de
I
Phoenix
personally love the
en
filters.
octubre 10 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
You are eligible for a
Thank you, Royal.
secured appearance bond
Without.
of
No
$25,000.
filters, please. Without. What? It's funny with filters.
Usted es elegible para lo que es un bono o lo que es la fianza de que usted se va a presentar en una forma segura, y esta fianza es de $25,000.
Filters are hilarious, right?
If you are able to pay that bond, make
With
sure you go
filters.
to your
Maribel,
hearing
that's right, Maribel.
and read your release condition.
I do like the puff. Did somebody say puffy hair?
Release conditions. One moment. Si usted puede pagar esta fianza, entonces por favor asegúrese de que va a ir a su audiencia y que lea muy bien las condiciones de liberación.
If you cannot pay the bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to your hearing, and the next judge may change these orders.
I love the filters though.
Si usted
I
no
can't help
puede
myself.
pagar lo que es la fianza, entonces se va a quedar bajo custodia. Se va a transportar a su audiencia y el juez puede cambiar las órdenes.
Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Por favor, tome su papeleo y siéntese.
Mr. Eloy Garcia Delgado, please come to the podium.
Señor Eloy García Delgado, por favor, venga al podio.
Bro, need a translator.
Please say your name and date
That
of
came in
birth.
ready.
Diga su nombre y fecha de nacimiento, por favor.
Eloy García, noviembre 28 de 1991.
DUI?
Yep, it's November 28, 1991.
You're here on a new Superior Court case.
No, this is
Está aquí
Maricopa.
en lo que es un caso de corte de nueva superior.
It is alleged that you committed disorderly conduct with a weapon, which is a Class 6 felony.
He's doing good. Ricky's doing good.
Sí, se alega que usted tuvo lo que es una conducta de desorden con una arma, lo cual esto es un delito de clase 6.
Also, that you discharged a firearm within the city limits, which is a class 6 felony.
También usted disparó lo que es un arma en los límites de la ciudad, que también es un delito de clase 6.
He doesn't, Kay. He does not.
An attorney
No
has
social
been
media.
appointed to assist you.
I was trying to
Un
get him in, but
abogado
he didn't
ya ha
want
sido
to.
asignado para ayudarle.
Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix, October 10th
Righty.
at 8:30 in the morning.
Are you going to do Polk County tomorrow, Jessica?
Su próxima audiencia va a ser el centro de Phoenix en octubre 10 a las 8:30
you were on
de
the
la
live,
mañana.
Darley?
You are eligible for a secured
What up, Heather?
appearance bond of $25,000.
$25,000 smackaroo. You know what I could do with $25,000 right now?
Usted es elegible también para lo que es una fianza de que usted asegura que se va a presentar de $25,000.
If you can pay the
Man,
bond,
that's cool,
you
man.
would
I
be
appreciate
released
you, Harley.
under pre-trial supervision.
Not the personal
Si
translator.
usted puede pagar lo que es la fianza, se le va a liberar bajo lo que es supervisión prejuicio.
Yeah, Ricky found the
You
handcuff
would
key
be
up.
subject to alcohol testing and monitoring.
Usted va a estar sujeto a lo que es que serán las pruebas de alcohol y monitoreo.
There are more release conditions on your paperwork.
That's right, trains.
Hay más
25,000.
condiciones de liberación
In
en su
Canada,
papeleo.
25,000 is like 30,000
But one of the most
Canadian.
important is you may not reside or knowingly be present
got the
at
googly
any
eyes.
place where firearms are located between now and the next hearing.
Firearm. One moment.
Hey, so for those of you that like to
Now
see releases from prison, I got
next hearing.
a release gonna be coming.
Entonces,
gonna
usted
be
más
coming soon.
una de las más importantes es
November.
de que usted no puede residir sabiendo, estando presente donde hay armas de fuego.
Yes, it is. It is live.
Entre ahorita
CC.
y su próxima audiencia.
If you cannot pay the bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders.
Double in New Zealand, so it's like
Si
50,000 in
usted
New
no
Zealand.
pudiera pagar entonces lo que es la fianza, se va a quedar bajo custodia,
Man, I'll be
va a
big
ser
ballin' in
transportada
New
a su
Zealand.
próxima audiencia y el juez puede cambiar las
Yeah,
órdenes.
Maddie Boo, for sure.
Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Oh, MG, laughing out loud.
Por favor, tome su
25,000
papeleo.
in the UK
y
is like 19K.
siéntese.
Yeah, it is. It's very heartwarming to see these men
Thank
get out
you,
after
Ms.
serving so much time.
Nayela. That was our last Spanish speaker for the evening. We appreciate your service to the court.
You know what's
Happy
the best
to.
thing
Thank you, ID
for me is
3401
that
Nayeli. Have a good night.
they came out with a different mentality coming out of prison after being there
We
so
have
long.
one matter remaining who is not in the courtroom today. His name is Keith Melnica. He has been exhibiting bizarre behavior that may not be safe for him or
What type of
the
bizarre?
other participants. His date of birth is 4/3/1989. It is a new case alleging criminal damage, class 4 felony. This court found probable cause, appointed an attorney to assist him at his next hearing downtown Phoenix on October 10th at 8:30 in the morning. He is eligible for a secured appearance bond of $15,000, and he would be released under alcohol testing and monitoring. He does have release conditions, including not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants, no weapons, no drugs, without a prescription, no alcohol. Specifically, he may not go back to the Walmart Supercenter located
not Walmart
in Surprise,
Supercenter?
and also he may
Those
not
are the
have
best
contact with the
ones.
alleged victim, and that's the person who was his coworker.
Nah, there's one more, 11 p.m.
Even if they were to reach out to him first. It is not my intention to make changes to this order, but if there are any changes, they will be reflected on the written document. So it is also not my intention to return to this recording. At this time, the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar is in recess until 11 p.m.
Damn, that's it. That's it for the 8 p.m. All right, so like I mentioned, we have Silas coming out of prison. He should be coming out of prison. If everything goes well, if everything goes the way it's supposed to be going, he should be coming out of prison at the end of November. All right. I am going to be doing that live. Hey, Alexander, thank you for that follow. Highly appreciate that. So if everything goes as expected, I will be there. It will be live. We'll be waiting for him to come off that van, maybe starting 6 o'clock in the morning. Normally the van shows up between 7:30 to 8. But I've heard sometimes it could even show up at 11 p.m. noon. So you just never know with the California Department of Corrections. Dr. Pepper, thank you for the follow. Let me see. Have you spoke to him? No, I haven't. I think he called me on Thursday. That was the last time he called me. I haven't spoken to him since then, since that day. But hey, I'm gonna ask you guys for one favor. All right. So, I don't ask you guys for money. That's just off the gate. But I'm gonna ask you for one little favor. If there's one individual out there, if you guys got like an old cell phone that's decent and working condition, I want to get, because I've been talking to Silas, and I was telling him that I want him to be able to vlog like his whole experience. As soon as he gets out, I want him to start running, hit the ground running, and be able to like capture his all his moments, like his first experiences when he's coming out of prison. And I was like, you know what, maybe I'll float it to the audience. The idea, if somebody has an old phone, I don't want a new phone, just like an old phone that could at least record in 1080p. A few years old, working condition. If it needs like a battery replaced, I could do that. But, as long as it turns on, if somebody has a phone on a drawer or something that you guys don't use, if you guys could shoot that over so I could hand that off to Silas when he gets off the van. Let me see. Okay. He needs a phone. Yeah. And, like if it's unlocked, that'll be great. If somebody could assist us with that, I would highly appreciate it. Let me see. Matthew, thank you for the everything. James, most likely I'll try to be back for the 11 p.m. one. Ashley, he's doing good. Ricky's doing good. The last time I spoke to him, he was doing really, really good. Let me see. James, maybe we could pull some money to get him one. Yeah, we could also do that too. Let me see. I got a phone here, but it won't work there. Yeah, that's right. Yep. California. If that's for California, then yeah, California. Ashley, okay. So let me see. What live court? What's the live stream called, buddy? It's called Maricopa County from Arizona. Let me see. I bought a phone from Plug here on TT. They're good. Okay, that's good to know. Kate, thank you, Heidi. Appreciate that. And let me see here. So okay, yeah, that's pretty much it right there. I'm a delivery driver for Spark and Walmart. Always catching shoplifters. What? Let me see. All right, guys. So hey, that was just something I want to throw out there. If anybody could hook it up, it would be highly appreciated. But hey, no pressure. We'll figure it out at the end of the day. We'll make sure we'll get a phone in his hands one way or another. Anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys. You guys are watching. You have a collect call from. I am collect call James. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. A rato y buenas noches. See you guys maybe at 11. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing that I'll be back at 11, but there's a good chance that I will be back. 820 Moonstone, thank you. I'm out. You're welcome. Hey, thank you for that follow, mi vida.